Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Pounds from Pakistan. Today I will explain the UK tax system in 5 minutes. If you are working in the UK, you must understand this. Let's start with the basics. First, what is a national insurance number? It is commonly called your NI number. You need this number to work legally in the UK. It's your unique identifier for tax and benefits. Without an NI number, you might pay emergency tax, which can be as high as 40%. Bahut zyada tax hai. You can apply for your NI number for free on the official gov.uk website. Don't pay anyone for this. Second, let's talk about income tax. This is the tax you pay on the money you earn. The UK has a tax-free allowance of £12,570 per year. This means if you earn less than this amount in a year, you pay zero tax. Bilkul muft. Above this, tax starts from £12,571 to £50,270, the tax is 20%. From £50,271 to £125,140, the tax is 40%. And for anything you earn above £125,140, the tax is 45%. Third, national insurance. This is separate from income tax and pays for state benefits. If you earn more than £242 per week, you typically pay 10% national insurance. This money goes towards your state pension and healthcare. Ye aapka future hai. Fourth, council tax. This is the tax for the services in your local area, like bins and libraries. Every house in the UK pays this. The amount depends on your specific area and the size of your house. Students and people on low incomes can often get a discount of up to 100%. Fida uthayain. Fifth, VAT. This is value-added tax, which is a tax on goods and services. When you buy anything, 20% VAT is usually already included in the price. You do not pay it separately at the till. Now, a common mistake. Many Pakistanis think cash jobs are tax-free and invisible. Galat. HMRC tracks everything. They use advanced systems to find undeclared income. Pakre ya sakte hain. If caught, you will pay a heavy fine and it can even affect your visa status in the future. Don't risk it. Here is a tip. Use the HMRC app to check your tax code. It's very easy to use. A wrong tax code means you pay more tax than you should. Check it today. If you want me to explain how to get a tax refund, comment refund below. I will make a video on it. Subscribe for part 2, where I will explain self-assessment for freelancers. Shukriya and see you next time.